Look at this. Look at this monkey climbing in his shop. Hunter is building a cool lofty thingy so he can sleep in his shop because he's a bum.
No, extra
Psych.
Get all the wheels out of the way, pipe out of the way, extra random shit parts, stair wiring harnesses.
This is where Hunter keeps some of his shit. Lucky, because his dad lets him keep a lot of shit at his house.
Well, not really.
Kind of. He's now, yeah, now.
Can fit more stuff.
Now he's getting kicked out because he overstayed his welcome.
A lot of Honda parts are gonna make their way up.
Lots and lots of Honda parts. Here's a block. This is the melted piston block. Mm-hmm. That one. Oopsie daisy. Hunter melted a piston.
Oops.
That was actually the sedan that you melted that in when you first installed that turbo kit.
That was actually 3 weeks after I installed the turbo kit. Thank you very much.
Well, yeah, no, I'm talking the first time you ever used that turbo setup that's in your hatch.
Well, yeah, but now it's got bigger injectors, and I hardwired the injectors in because that's what happened last time. Was the injectors decided to
unconnect themselves. Well, it was the stupid little. There were like these. Harness. Yeah, it was a jumper harness, I guess is what you call it, and it just unplugged itself because it was really shitty in eBay status, and he leaned out in that piston because the injector wasn't clicking because it had no power to it.
And it melted.
And then, yeah, he melted a piston.
Sad days.
Yep. This is what he's using to build all that shit in there. Pallets and pallets and pallets that he got for free, of course. Oh, there's still a nail in that one, it looks like, but it's all bent over, so.
It's alright.
Oh, did you do that?
No.
I usually try to unbend them.
I don't know if I was doing 34 and a quarter or 34.
I don't fucking know. That ain't my job. I've just been pounding nails out and killing my knees. Cuddy cud. What it looks like now. Got all of Hunter's bullshit up there. He has a lot more room now for activities. Like building his Civic. Yay! Now we get to organize the rest of this.
I put the Civic in here tonight.
Got the ZC. What head is that from?
Z6.
Z6.
D6.
D16 Z6 head. ZC block. Lots and lots of parts to build this engine nice and strong. Forged pistons, forged rods, ARP hardware, a Skunk 2 manifold of the intake style, and just all sorts of good stuff. And that's what Hunter's going to build his big engine, his big strong turbo engine out of. And it'll be cool and fast.
It's a million times better.
Oh yeah. You can actually fit your hatch in here now. All done. Built the shelf. Put the last rung on. Moved all the shit. And now Hunter's hatch that has a turbo on it that's blue, if you remember that, can be parked in here for the winter to be worked on.
Yep.
Yay. I think that's it for the video. Have a good night. Goodbye.